Hello viewers, here is a bit of breaking news. It's a major victory in fact for the environmentalist campaign to save the 218 hectare wetland at Panje in Uran across the Mumbai harbour. All the 5 choke points which have been blocking the free flow of tidal water for the wetland have been now cleared after a prolonged battle, and the migratory birds have started coming there all over again. In fact, not very long ago, the wetland had almost gone dry, and we have reported that as the free flow of the tidal water flow has been blocked. The NatConnect Foundation and Sri Ekveera Ai Pratishthan, led by Mr. Nandakumar Pawar, we have earlier complained to the Chief Minister, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, about the plight of the wetland, and he in fact directed the Environment Department to look into the issue. The Environment Department, in all fairness, the director, Mr. Narendra Toke, had issued an order to Raigad Collector, CIDCO, and of course the Navi Mumbai SEZ to make sure that water flow is restored and all the illegal security cabins in that area are removed. The security in fact has been stopping the nature lovers, the bird watchers and the fishing community from entering the Panje wetland. One might ask as to why NMSEZ is doing this. CIDCO, the local planning agency, in fact in charge of the development of planning and development of the area, has allotted the Panje wetland along with other lands to Navi Mumbai SEZ for developing a special economic zone. In fact, CIDCO is also a 26% partner in the Navi Mumbai SEZ, and despite this being a wetland and CIDCO itself admitting that it's a holding pond as a flood mitigation measure for the upcoming Dronagiri node, yet the place has been leased out to Navi Mumbai SEZ. So Navi Mumbai SEZ has taken control of the place. They built a huge concrete wall around the 300 hectare wetland. Mr. Pawar of an Ekveera Ai Pratishthan had moved the NGT seeking to implement the Environment Department's order to remove all the blocks for the to the water flow.
To be very frank, these wetlands are very crucial to be protected from various perspectives. Already BNHS has declared this wetland as a wetland need to be protected as a alternate habitat for the birds which will be migrated from the Navi Mumbai airport site due to the landfill. There are 1,615 hectares of habitats have been lost, and BNHS has strongly recommended that these wetlands are very crucial to be maintained to divert the bird population to come in the way of landing or takeoff jets to avoid deadly accident.
Recently, we have visited the entire area along with the CIDCO revenue and the forest department officials, and of course with the local fishing community. We trekked the entire 300 hectare area and found that the 5 blocks which have been created by Western interests have been removed, and water flow has started into the wetland all over again.
Right now standing in the Panje wetland, and today we are on official site visit with SDO and Tehsildar and CIDCO officials, and it's as per the court direction to verify the blockages which have been made.
The sub-divisional officer Rahul Munke, who accompanied us, he visited the place along with us, and he assured us that his department will keep bird's eye view on the wetland to make sure that no more mischief is Done.
ते आणि आम्ही जे पाहतोय ऍक्च्युअली हे सारखेच आहे की नाही हे मला कन्फर्म करायचं होतं.
करेक्ट मॅच होत नव्हते.
हा मग मी काय म्हणत होतो की एकदा आपलं हे झालं ना म्हणजे कसं आहे, हेच ते स्पॉट आहे
बरोबर कन्फर्म झालं.
कन्फर्म झालं की मग आमचे लोक आहे ना रेग्युलरली आम्ही ड्युट्या लावल्या त्यांच्या अशा